Okay, it's the Ayan and baby date today. How am I looking?
Fantastic.
Behind the scenes of every photo shoot.
Alright guys, so this is outfit number 2. मैं वो कैमरा खोल रहा हूँ, ग्रुप बना के कैमरा बेटा. Ta-da! Outfit number 3. Big balloon.
Balloon will fly, Naji.
The village stay that we have at life at Prakasham. Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, namaste and vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Alright guys, so it is 1 p.m. in the afternoon and today I had a couple of things to do because I planned for a photo shoot tomorrow, and I thought why not take you guys along. And also I need to get my root touch up done as usual, and I'm not doing that at home because I am not in a mode of taking all the stress and pain and doing it all by myself. And also in our society there was some problem with the electricity and it is running on backup since evening, I mean the last night, and till today they said till 2 p.m. it's gonna run on backup, so I cannot use the geyser and all. So I thought it's better I go to the salon and get my work done and relax. So first we would be going to salon, and from there I also
I want to be a haircut for
okay, I had to be haircut, fine. So first we are going to the salon, get our services done, and from there I want to go and check out some stores. I want to pick some stuff, so we will probably see if we have time, we will go and check out on those stores. And also guys, quick disclaimer, I am not entertaining or encouraging anyone to be stepping out in the pandemic. I'm taking my own precautions, I'm taking my own risk, and that is how I'm stepping out. I'm not encouraging anybody to do the same. And yeah, so now that we have started, let's go and get the services done. I'll catch you at the salon. Guys, so finally we have reached Mirrors. And Ayan, are you excited? Come here.
Yeah.
You like it only when baby and Ayan come out, or you like it when everybody comes out together?
Everybody.
I like only when Ayan and I are out together. Only Ayan and myself. Okay, it's the Ayan and baby date today.
Oh,
So
sorry.
we'll go get the... Oh, good boy. Ayan has got a sanitizer.
Pocket.
He has pockets, so he's got sanitizer. I was just thinking that we don't have sanitizer in the car. And look at my little hero who has got sanitizer for us. So yeah, let's go to the salon and get the services done. It's already too late. So yeah, catch you guys there. Anu, what you doing? Okay guys, so I know I look tired and Ayan has changed his outfit. This is the final hair color. I'm sure you guys are unable to figure it out because my hair is still wet, and I will show you guys the after look once my hair's all dried up. And now we are going to the other places that I had to get my work done. So yeah, let's go there and catch you guys. And also Ayan wants to have what?
Brownie. What brownie?
Okay, he wants to have brownie. So first we'll go have brownie and then we'll go and get the things done. Good morning guys. It is 10 a.m. in the morning. It's actually not 10 a.m. It's 10:10 or something. Anyway, I just got freshen up. I had my shower. I haven't dried it or I haven't set my hair because Gopalana is here as usual, and he would be setting my hair up. So yeah, now that Gopalana is here, let's quickly go and get ready. Before that, I had some work on my system which I just finished, and I will get ready. I'll have my breakfast and pack my stuff. Probably I'll catch you guys then. Bye, Daddy.
Bye.
How am I looking?
Fantastic.
I
Fantastic.
make
Thank you.
nice. You,
What I am?
I like you nice hair.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so
Put it
much.
over.
Thank you so much. So I am ready and we are going. And today to accompany me, Ayan and Appa are coming to my shooting spot. And it's drizzling there is what they've told. I hope it stops by the time we reach. So please pray for us so the shoot goes nice. I'll catch you guys in the car.
Mommy, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. But I think Mama got it.
Yeah. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, Kandu. Okay, so on the way we had to pick some shoes, the newborn shoes. Can you show them what we have?
Okay. That's a Spider-Man face.
Wow. And baby shoes? Wow. This is for boy. And this one is for girl.
You wear Kanna, you want to wear?
Wow.
Oh, have a look.
Behind the scenes of every photo shoot. Samira does her own work by herself. So Samira does her work by herself.
This satisfies me more than someone else doing it. This is more satisfying, guys, than someone else doing, and then you won't like something. So I don't kind of like taking that stress and pressure of telling someone else do it and then give them some corrections, some feedback.
That's true. I think everyone should follow this, doing their own work.
Yeah.
As Samira said earlier, she likes to do everything by herself.
Just getting my touch up done because it's been long that I wore my makeup. So I thought why not just give it a quick touch up before we start filming.
Samira,
Yes,
are you sleepy?
very, 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 very sleepy.
Why didn't you sleep last night?
I slept last night, but I woke up around 2:30, and from then I was awake till 4. And then I slept and I woke up around 9:30. But as I told, the third trimester is making me sleep more. I just feel like sleeping all the time. And
I
I'm
understand.
sleeping now. And also, it's not just the third trimester. The weather also is like that. Like it.
Totally agree. Even I feel like sleeping.
Yeah, so that's the thing. So once I get into work, probably then I'll get active.
Okay, do you want to eat something?
Yeah, I'll have my food.
You want me to give you now? And shall we give food to baby? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no.
Eat करना, फोन को eat करना फोन को.
फोन को eat कर लेना.
हाँ. फिर हम ना ट्राई करते हैं.
Why? Because baby is always in phone. See, even now she's on phone.
Nice you make yourself.
Thank you. I didn't make it. Gopalana made it.
No matter you make it face अच्छे से.
Thank you.
He's saying makeup.
Yeah, he's saying my makeup is very nice.
How is baby looking, Ayan?
Earring.
And how baby is looking?
So nice there.
You look pretty,
Yes.
Sam.
Thank you.
Can we try some other earring?
Not looking nice. This somehow doesn't suit me only.
Yeah.
Actually, hangings don't go with my face. Only
That's your perception.
stud types only look very nice. Okay, fine. Let's try something else.
तुम्हारा हो गया तो
Okay guys, so we are all set and this is my outfit number 1. So let's go.
केयरफुल. पानी का बोतल कुछ हो ना. अच्छी दिख रही है समीरा पीछे से. थोड़ा पलट के दिखाओ. बहुत क्लियरली प्रेग्नेंट दिख रहे. అది కష్టాలన్నమాట.
So guys, that's the setup of our first photography, the first theme. So here we have the backdrop, the canopy and all, and here we have the photography theme. I will link them down in the description box so you can go and check them out. Hi Chapandi.
Hi.
Hi. And there you can see my sister. That's Appa. That's Gopalana. Alright guys, so this is outfit number 2 and we already started filming a couple of shots. You might have already seen the shots by now, and we're almost done with this outfit and then we would be changing to the next outfit. So stay tuned to know which outfit I'm gonna wear next. ये देखो पूरा कैसा देखो फ्रेम.
She's running.
రన్నింగ్ కూడా కాదు, భూకంపం వచ్చేలా.
మేడం పిలిచారు.
3, 2, 1. ओ गाना खत्म हो गया. आओ मिक्स कर दो. हाँ फिर देना था ना. तुम्हें वो कैमरा पकड़ा, गोपालना के कैमरे से तुम बेटर. गोपालना में दिए.
I'm giving you memories, Ji.
Outfit number 3, and this beautiful dress is by Mom's Choice. By the way, I'll mention all the outfits details in the description box below. So if you guys are looking, you can go and check them out anyway. And this is the outfit number 3, as I already told you. And we are already super exhausted.
Not we.
I am already super exhausted.
Or maybe Gopalana.
Gopalana is also already exhausted. So we are almost done. We're getting ready. We'll go and catch you guys on the location.
He is the red butterfly walking in a
Red balloon walking.
balloon will fly, Naji. You look like a butterfly.
Red water balloon, which is very heavy, so it cannot fly easily in the air. One more करेंगे नहीं. So here, this is the village room, guys, the village stay that we have at Life at Prakasham. So this is the room that we were in, just to change my outfit. As you enter, you have a chest drawer right here to keep in your belongings, and then we have a bed and of course 2 chairs where we can comfortably sit, and that's about it. It gives a nice village atmosphere, and this is how this room looks. And also this opens up right here, and when you open this, it takes you to this beautiful sit out place. Now this is a nice lawn area that you have here. It's already night and there's no enough light that you guys can see. And there we have the women's restroom, and here we have men's restroom. And as you move forward, we have many other rooms right here. So you can see there are other rooms also right here, and again we have a beautiful dining space. So if you're coming with a family and wish to book the entire village room or the village setup, that is the best idea according to me. I mean, booking the entire space for yourself. And that is my sister vlogging for Hyderabadi Beauty and Delhi Beast. So guys, that's the wrap. Ayan. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. I'm closing my eyes. Alright guys, so we are done for the day, and it's a wrap. We are starting back home, and as usual, because I'm wearing a full face makeup, I don't want to let this makeup go off face. So I would be going back home and recording some reels to post on my Instagram and stay updated. So yeah, probably I'll end this video right here and see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next, lots of love.
Bye.